X.ai AI tool review, usage experience. Welcome to my review of the X.ai AI tool, a powerful productivity assistant designed to streamline your scheduling and meeting processes. Before we dive into the features and my experience, all the links to the products and resources mentioned are in the description below, so feel free to check them out after watching. X.ai is an AI-powered scheduling tool that focuses on simplifying the way you book meetings. It integrates with your calendar, taking the hassle out of coordinating with others. The tool's standout feature is its ability to automatically suggest and schedule meeting times based on both parties' availability without needing constant back-and-forth emails. This is especially useful for professionals managing busy schedules or teams with frequent meetings. It works seamlessly with Google Calendar, Outlook, and other popular platforms, syncing events and offering smart suggestions to avoid conflicts. The user experience is intuitive, with a clean interface that's easy to navigate. You simply tell X.ai when you're available, and it handles the rest. One of its key advantages is its natural language processing, which allows you to communicate with it in plain English. For example, you can write an email to a colleague and simply ask, "Can you meet next Tuesday?" X.ai will recognize the context, suggest times, and send a calendar invite. This reduces the need for constant follow-up emails and saves you time. X.ai is ideal for business professionals, executives, and teams looking to streamline scheduling without the complexity of manual management. It's also beneficial for anyone who frequently organizes meetings or deals with clients, as it automates much of the administrative work. The tool's machine learning capabilities improve over time, making the scheduling process even more efficient as it learns your preferences. Overall, X.ai offers a smart, simple solution to one of the most common productivity challenges: scheduling. Its ease of use, intelligent features, and time-saving capabilities make it a tool worth considering for anyone looking to optimize their workday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details.